Fresh off the sale of the record-setting 50 millionth Corolla, the best-selling car of all time welcomes a versatile new family member with the introduction of the 2022 Toyota Corolla Cross. Value-priced and packed with features not typically found in a small crossover, Corolla Cross hits the sweet spot with the engaging driving experience of a small car and the functionality of a larger crossover. The 2022 Toyota Corolla Cross, based on the ever-popular Corolla sedan, is coming to dealerships this October with a starting MSRP of $22,195 for the front-wheel drive base grade. And a bump up to all-wheel drive will be available for an extra $1,300. The all-new 2022 Corolla Cross will be assembled in the U.S. at the new Mazda Toyota Manufacturing plant in Huntsville, Alabama, a brand-new facility that will have the capacity to produce up to 150,000 Corolla Cross vehicles per year. For over 50 years, Corolla has been synonymous with dependability, fuel efficiency, safety and value, said Lisa Matarazzo, Group Vice President of Toyota Marketing. With the all-new Corolla Cross, we are building upon that foundation and offering even more versatility and creature comforts to make everything from a daily commute to a weekend escape more memorable. Available in front-wheel drive, FWD, and all-wheel drive, AWD, the compact SUV maximizes the inherent potential of the high-strength TNGAC platform and a 169-horsepower 2.0-liter dynamic force engine. This enables the Corolla Cross to achieve high-quality performance, a comfortable ride and outstanding spaciousness. What's more, the surprising cargo capacity gives it the versatility to accommodate life's adventures. Offered in 3 grades, L, LE and XLE, the versatile design of the Corolla Cross is spacious, modern, powerful, and high quality. From an engineering perspective, it offers an approachable exterior, as well as a higher line of sight, thanks to the revised TNGAC platform. Key design cues include a distinctive black grille flanked by LED lighting with black body accents, giving the entry SUV a confident appearance. And from the rear, the stylish design elements continue, with an integrated rear spoiler and LED lighting. Wheel options range from 17-inch steel on L to 18-inch alloy on XLE. Inside, Corolla Cross' spacious interior offers many of the same desirable features as its sedan and hatchback siblings. The all-new model can be outfitted with a power moonroof, as well as either single or dual-zone automatic climate control, with all grades featuring standard heating and air conditioning vents for rear seat passengers. A 10-way power-adjustable driver's seat with lumbar and heated front seats, standard on XLE, put the driver in a comfortable and commanding position. In back, storage space can be maxed out thanks to the 60/40 split folding rear seats that come standard on all grades, while XLE models also include a center armrest with 2 additional cup holders. To make access to the roomy cargo area even more convenient, the Corolla Cross has an available power liftgate with height adjustability. Available accessories, including a roof rack with crossbars, an activity mount for carrying items such as bicycles, a tow hitch and all-weather floor mats keep you equipped for any adventure. The Corolla Cross is equipped with the mighty Dynamic Force 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter DOHC 16 valve with dual variable valve timing with intelligence, VVTi engine. That means a punchy 169 horsepower engine paired with CVT with a physical first gear provides a truly engaging driving experience, all while delivering exceptional efficiency. The Corolla Cross suspension also plays a role here, as it's fully independent for all-wheel drive models, while front-wheel drive vehicles feature a brand-new torsion beam system in the rear. Additionally, every Corolla Cross is capable of towing up to 1,500 pounds, enough to pull a trailer with a personal watercraft for a day of fun on the lake. However, passengers choose to listen to music or connect with their worlds. The 2022 Corolla Cross is ready with the latest multimedia systems. A 7-inch multimedia touchscreen comes on the L grade, while LE and XLE feature an 8-inch touchscreen. The vast range of in-car entertainment and connected functionalities, including standard compatibility for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, will be sure to keep passengers engaged. Mobile devices will stay topped off through wireless charging, standard on LE and XLE, or through the conveniently located USB media port. LE and XLE grades offer 2 USB charging ports for rear seat passengers, welcoming all devices along for the drive. The available audio plus multimedia with remote connect and a 9-speaker JBL registered sound system is the perfect complement to a road trip playlist. And when it's time to turn on the tunes, Amazon Alexa connectivity keeps Amazon's digital assistant just a question away. Other connected features include a standard 3-month SiriusXM Platinum subscription to more than 300 channels accessible throughout the country. XLE owners can get key info at a glance, courtesy of an available 7-inch multi-information display with various vehicle and systems info to choose from. True to Toyota form, modern safety is key for Corolla Cross. That's why all grades come standard with both the Toyota Safety Sense suite of advanced active safety systems, as well as Toyota's signature Star safety system. Blind spot monitor and rear cross-traffic alert come standard on LE and XLE, while front and rear parking assist with automatic braking is standard on XLE. All grades come standard with 9 airbags throughout the cabin to help protect occupants. Thanks for watching, and please do like the video and subscribe this channel for more such videos of all upcoming new cars.